Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can mute Viber calls. So let's just get started. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So don't you worry, if you have anything, let me know in the comment section right away. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to the top, or let's the bottom right corner, which is this more button, like this. Go over there and then go to settings. And then from here, where you have to do is you have to go to call and messages, and a bit down you'll see this Viber in calls. So basically it will be ticked like this, so just untick it, and then you won't be receiving calls, or let's say the Viber calls has been muted. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below, guys. I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.